indicator that is called day 5 indicator, but it's an indicator, such an indicator what will show you the future, or it gonna help you to understand the market more precise way. So as a professional trader, what a professional trader actually is, if anybody asks a question about a professional trader, what is the difference between a professional trader and a newbie or intermediate trader? So a professional trader actually is an experienced trader who see the chart for long time, who experience with the chart for long time, and actually day by day watching the chart, doing the activities of trading and all those kind of thing, he gain his confidence based on the market. He grow his confidence on the market because he have seen so many things in his life with this chart, and obviously the patterns, obviously the experience he gathered, the pitfall and all those kind of things. So actually that's how a professional trader become professional. So professional trader means who have enough confidence about the market movement and all those kind of thing. So to grow those confidence, this is our simple indicator you need everyday life if you want to become a professional trader. So that is called day 5 indicator. So what this day 5 indicator is? So the day 5 indicator is very simple. It will show, suppose we are in 1 hour chart, it will show these levels of the days. From here period separation to this period separation is day 1, and from this period separation to this period separation day 2. So actually when a week start, maybe obviously the next day, sorry, not maybe, next day the market will start again. So it will start with a day 1 level. So why we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 something like that, but when we go to the 15-minute chart, the market get more zoomed. So it will be little bit hesitation in your brain that which day I am. Sometimes people forget because our brain trick us all the time. But if this level stay, so based on this level we have some different motive, different thinking, what can be happen, what cannot be happen, all those kind of thing, because of the experience of all those kind of thing. If you see my previous 2 videos about market setup breakdown, so I was saying that again and again that today is the market end. So why I am saying that market end, what happened? Market will do its work. No, market in the end of the day, market have different philosophy. In the middle of the week, market have another philosophy. So those kind of thing get mixed up. So it's very easy for you if you see or if you separate every single day, so you know what gonna happen after some time. You will get your feelings of those kind of things. So that's why a trader must stay or must know which day he is trading, and based on that day his action should be in proper way. So let's show you guys some interesting thing. Suppose this day start, or let's actually show you what to say, in green week past, something like that. So last week, let's say. So the day 1 start from here, and the market was going down, down, down. Suddenly in day 2, what happened? Market actually trap people there and go up. See, market in the day 1 take enough time to take order, and market 1 time try to break, 2 time try to break, 3 time try to break what? This line. This is a support resistance line. Market want to break this line. Market trying to showing people that, see, from previous week the trend is down, and that is the trick market did with people in the day 1, that they are showing from the previous week philosophy that we are trying to going down. So for some people, those who say the classic word trend is friend, my friend, trend is not friend. market, understanding the market is your friend. If you understand the market trick trap, then it's become your friend. Trend is not your friend. I mean some people will throw some what to say egg through me, but it's okay, no problem, because of my experience. Trend is not friend, understanding the market is the best friend. So from the previous week, week before previous week, we see that market is going down, trend is friend. But what happened in the day one? They trap people in the downstairs. When market was here, people was thinking that hey, market will go more down, but see suddenly it's jump and then trap people more. Some people say, oh no, it's a fluke and market will go down because the trend is friend. So some people actually draw some trend lines, they think that it will do a reverse, all those kind of thing, but market go down again to trap more people, trying to showing people that hey, we are unable to go up because trend is friend. See, like this, if I draw a trend line here this way, so when market go down and come back again here, so people think that oh, it's not going to go up because previous trend is showing down, but market did what? Market go up. So in day one, market actually trick people, take some order, then market jump, and in day two, market goes such high level that market show that okay, we now reversing, market will go up. So for those people again get trapped there, because people want to say that hey, trend is friend, suddenly market jumps, so it's a reversal, so we stay with the market and go up and go for the buy. But market didn't have any mercy, so market go down again. So market trap people here again, something like that, but most of the people get trapped in that week here. And then market try to show people that hey, because we reverse here and we gonna up again, so market actually shows some hanky panky there to show people that we are with the trend. So some people will think that okay, market did this type of trend, previous was market was going down, now it's a reverse, so we stay with the market and slowly go down and show there that hey, we are going up again. But market did what? Market market trap people here, because market already trapped a big chunk of people in this area in this week. So market will never come back here in this week here, because market already trapped people there, and again market trap people there and market go down. And then again market try to show people that okay, we are going up. Okay, so already which day we are? Day 3. So in day 2, market trap big chunk of people there. Day 3 started, market in the very early morning, Japan time, Aussie time, market trap people there and go down. Then market trap people here also, but the big volume is there 1, 2. And then market come back here again, trap people, some people here, and then market coming down again. So that way market in day 4 make these people exhausted, because those people are waiting game, they make those people exhausted in day 4, and suddenly market come here again and then actually exhaust more. So market knows how many people are trapped there. That is the darkest part of the market, because banks and all those kind of thing, brokers and all those kind of thing, they actually exchange information in between all those kind of things. So that's a different part, market makers part. We don't need to actually go inside those deep, but follow the market pattern. So obviously market is not going there in day 4, people get exhausted, more exhausted. So obviously these people, some people actually give up, some people get stopped out, all those kind of thing. And then again market try to show people that okay again, and market trap people there more, go down and actually take out all those people from small chunk. And then market did what? Market actually trap people here in the day end. Day end is different, so market trap people here, never come back here again. So in upcoming days we will see what market does, but basically If there are some volatile news, then we might see that market might go down or go up, because it's based on, already I understand based on the market, that market already actually get rid of these peoples, because market calm down so far. Now market new value is here already. These people already gone. So now market big value is here. So now we might experience that market actually in the day, market trying to show people that we're gonna go down, and then trap some more people there and try to go up, because market have some space in upstairs. This is GBP NZ. Okay, so market some space in upstairs. Whatever the pair is, whatever pair you goes, you will find similar stuff and all those kind of things. So let's go another pair, like random pair, like let's say we go to CAD and Japan, something like that. Oh, because the market is closed, this CB indicator have no tick, so there will be some manual problem, but when market actually run, then it's okay. So let's say JPY USD. So USD JPY, what happened in day one? Market actually, we see that market is going up from the previous week, and show people there that market will go up and go up. But here market come back again. We don't see any trap issue in day one actually, but I see little bit trap here. Okay, market is still following the trend, maybe because last week market trapped people here, so they don't want to come here, but trying to showing people that they come, they will go down. So some people may fall in love with that trap, and then maybe market know that how many people are trapped in downstairs, so they will go upstairs. So this way market again in day two, this is not a trap actually, but market maybe find in the past week, last day, so many volumes here, so market want to make these people exhausted. That's why market go there that far. And then some people here watching that, hey, trend is friend, market slowly start chopping those peoples and actually trap a big chunk of people there, because market now going down. And because from last week, previous week, market come this far, so these peoples are no more, something like that, and market trapped so many peoples here, and that's why market is coming down, something like that, and exhaust people there, because you see when market is trending, so some people here get trapped for the big volume, something like that. So that's how. So if you start seeing the market in the daily basis way and try to analyze the market in the weekly basis way, just think as a market maker that what I will do to trap people, what I have to do right now to trap people. All those kind of question, if you arise in your brain, then the rest of the analysis will be little bit clear to you. And obviously with this analysis and also our W pattern, M pattern, and actually where to take entry, runs, on all those kind of thing, all these puzzles will come in the one place, and also the currency strength, actually all those things. So this simple indicator actually have some value, guys. So give it a value. In our closed group, we will discuss this matter again and again. I analyze the market again and again, so you guys will get more thoughts to stay safe, and that's how you will gain your confidence. And if you have confidence, what you have to say yourself as a trader, that you are a professional trader. I mean, gaining experience is different thing, gaining confidence is different thing. Confident mean when you make your experience into action and see positive result, that is called confident. So that way you gain your confidence, and when you grown up with your confidence, then you are professional. I mean, suppose you start driving a car, first day you have not that much confidence, your hand is shaking, all those kind of thing, but after some time you gain the confidence, even you are talking with your buddy, friends, beloved, whatever, you are still driving safely. So that is called a confident driver. So in trading case that is also same. So people have to give their time to gather this experience in proper way, because some people jump in trading and start doing lots of things, but learning thing in a proper way is the most important thing, and with right tools and everything. So I will request you to analyze the market. Never ever throw these things, even you can count, doesn't matter. Never ever throw this kind of thing. At least you have to have the calculation. What make a accountant proper, or what make a millionaire become billionaire, or what make a millionaire stay consistent millionaire? Because they keep their accounts even if it is one penny. So that's what is in this chart. This day 5 indicator is your accounting of the market. So if you keep this information and practice and try to see the market as the way I said in this video, you will see, you will gather experience, you will see your confident level, your action become your confident level, and that's how you can become a professional trader. I hope you enjoy this video, enjoy this information, and obviously if you enjoy, please join us in our closed group that is 100% free. You just go to the FXHi5 in your profile and join us in the closed group, and also stay subscribed in this channel so you see more and more interesting information like this untold secret about market, because you need this information really to become a profitable trader. That's what I can say. I cannot actually say more than that. That is that's what I can say. That's what I can say. So if you believe it or not, that's the reality, guys. So please stay with simple things, but these simple things will give you more thoughts. Don't chock a block with so many indicators and all those kind of thing. Just get with proper thing and actually try to make this experience in action. Try to trade in live account, even if it is one penny, do it, and you will see how fast you are learning and how fast you gathering experience and how fast you are getting your confident grown up like a professional trader. So thank you for watching this video till the end. See you.